As summer eventually returns and greenery revives, can we really take that as the naive and complete truth in the age of climate change, fossil burning, and industrialization? Are we straying further away from the once green Earth, or are we slowly reviving the greenery? This project explores the degrees of change in the greenery and current progress made in the United States in the recent 2 decades. For this project, we are trying to find something that reacts faster to climate change as compared to other signs. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels are good indicators of climate change, but it takes years, if not decades, for the changes to be visible. Plants, on the other hand, react much faster to climate change because of the numerous ways plants can be affected, such as temperature changes and elevated carbon dioxide levels. One of the visualizations we chose was a heat map, which answers the questions, where is the vegetation loss, if any? We can consider the heat as the loss in vegetation and the coolness as the increase in vegetation. We chose yellow to show barrenness and green to show lushness. Both are also colorblind friendly in our opinion. Now, we can clearly see that not only is there a uniform loss in vegetation, there is a noticeable loss in the central region of the United States, where key agriculture and farms are located. By adjusting the drop-down, you can see the difference between any 2 years in terms of vegetation growth and decline. This is also the hardest feature to implement, as we have to ensure that 0.5 million data points are accurately and efficiently depicted without crashing the website. And here's the drop-down. Another visualization we chose was a line graph. This best captures the temporal trend of density on the national scale. It answers the question, are we doing better or worse in general? And our visualization answers that we're doing better, but the improvement isn't stable. The national effort to combat climate change may be yielding a subtle positive impact on vegetation density, but this progress is highly fragile and vulnerable to persistent climate vitality such as droughts. Our visualization, especially the line graph, captures hope and vitality in its unsteady yet growing trend. It's saying we're doing better, but not good enough. Therefore, we should continue to be mindful of efforts to combat climate change for the sake of a greener future. Thank you.